This one is Siemens Control CNC Milling Lathe Trainer. It is used for imparting training regarding different lathe operations such as face milling, end milling, threading, drilling, boring, and slot cutting. After being trained on this trainer, a workman can work on any lathe operation.
Now we will see the various parts of this milling trainer. This is the power supply board. This is the voltage stabilizer. This is CNC operating panel. And this is the operator's panel. Now we will see the inside parts. This is the spindle assembly that holds the tool. This is the automatic tool changer. This is the coolant tap. And this is the working table. Moving on to the bottom parts. This is the spindle motor. This is the coolant motor and the coolant tank. This is the chip tray. And these are the damping pads on which the CNC machine rests. Moving on to the other important parts. This is the lubrication motor and lubrication tank. And these are the electronic and electrical systems.
Now we will use this trainer to do the operation of drilling on a metal slab of dimensions 90 mm by 90 mm by 12 mm. In drilling, the tool moves in three directions: X, Y, and Z directions. For any machine operation with the CNC machine, there are 5 basic steps: jogging, referencing, offsetting, simulation, and the execution of job. Now let us see these steps.
The first step is jogging. In jog mode, we move the tools manually to free the axis. Let us see the procedure. For jogging, we have to press the jog button first. Then press X and minus button for about 4 seconds to move the work table along X axis. Press Y and minus button to move work table along Y axis. Press Z and minus button for about 4 seconds to move the table along Z axis. Now jogging is complete. Now we come to the next step, that is referencing. Referencing means bringing the tool to its home position. For referencing, we just press MDA button first, then press reset button. Select delete in display console to delete the previous data. Then feed G75 Z0 in operating panel and press input. Feed G75 X0 Y0 in operating panel and press input. Then press reset button. Press cycle start button. Now the tool goes to the home position, that is machine X0, Y0, Z0.
Then the next step is offsetting, which means selecting a point on the job as X0, Y0, Z0. For offsetting, the tool will touch the job at X end for X coordinate offsetting. For this, press the MPG button, then press 100 micron, 10 micron or 1 micron to set the speed, then touch the tool at X end of the job using the hand wheel. Now the tool will touch the job at Y end for Y coordinate offsetting. For this, again press the MPG button, then press 100 micron, 10 micron or 1 micron button to set the speed, then touch the tool at Y end of the job using the hand wheel. Finally, the tool will touch the job at its top surface for Z coordinate offsetting. For this, again press the MPG button, then press 100 micron, 10 micron or 1 micron button to set the speed. Then touch the tool at the top surface of the job using the hand wheel. Now offsetting is complete. After offsetting, the center of the slab becomes the job X0, Y0, Z0. All the part programs shall be written with respect to this job 0, 0, 0. The next step is simulation. By simulation, we will be able to view the effect of intended operation of drilling as per CNC program. Since we are going to do the drilling operation, we will open library in operating panel. Now press the program manager button. Now in display console, select part program. Press input button to select the intended program. Then press the reset button. Select simulation in display console. As we can see, the simulation has begun. A simulation appears. This simulation shows the drilling as per the CNC program.
The final step is execution of our job. Here we will execute the program for our operation. Select Execute in Display Console. Then press Auto, SBK and Reset button. Feed override is done to 0 position through feed override knob. Press cycle start button. Repeat cycle start till the tool starts moving. Release SBK button. Increase feed speed through feed override knob. Then drilling will continue as shown here. This is our final intended job in Milling Lathe Trainer with drilling operation. Now we will show you the feature of automatic tool changer in this milling machine. There are 8 number of tools in this turret and we can select any one of them. As an example, here we will change from tool number 1 to tool number 5. For this, press the MDA button first, then press Reset button. In the display console, press Delete blocks, then feed M0 6 T5 and press the input button. Press the Reset button again. Select Cycle Start. As can be seen here, tool number 1 is changed to tool number 5.